path or what?
No.
Not today. Now you gotta back down. As long as you keep your momentum. But you're right, it's sketchy as fuck.
No fucking way.
Oh! You doing it again?
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm staying over here, man.
Yeah, get out of his way. Fuck yeah, a little momentum, that's all you need, right? Momentum. That was awesome. Oh, here comes Steven. Watch out! Uh-oh, uh-oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh! Try again! You just gotta know what you're getting into first. I usually, oh, you broke it. See, I usually check it out first. Dude, that's a sketchy spot.
Yeah.
He'll get out of there if he keeps doing what he's doing though.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. That thing's an animal, man.
Oh, yeah.
It's awesome. Come on, Matt, it's your turn. That's awesome. I'm getting played out just chasing them around. That's what I figured he was going to do right now, and I was right. Right up the hill, up. Oh, a little sideways. Oh, a little sideways. Uh-oh. No momentum died, that's it. This stuff's so loose, man. If you lose your momentum, that's it. You gotta keep that momentum going. Especially if you're on an angle. You lose your momentum when you're on an angle, you're gonna roll over. And if you lose your momentum when you're going straight up, you're just gonna start spinning. This stuff's so loose.
What do they call it? They put it down on top of the mat.
And he's parking her while he's ahead. Nice work, buddy. I like it. I like it. What a view up here. Holy shit. Is he gonna go for it? He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. He's going. That's good for now. Hey, Matt. Somebody's gonna eat shit, I know it eventually. Oh, he's almost falling over. crazy.
Look! Look! Halfway! No problem, bud.
Like not ate it.
Halfway! Fucking right, man. That's badass. Fucking badass, man. Like,
You try it the opposite way?
yeah. What, reverse? That's badass. Yeah. Fucking right, boys.
Oh, he's got the video. Here he goes.
This ain't no little hill either.
Love it!
Fucking right, man. That is fucking bad.
What?
You even let off right there and it still got out there no problem.
That was the first one, yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking sweet. That was wicked, man.
Right here, right there. Come on.
Stop and do one from a dead stop a little slower. That thing's walking her right into the rocks. right back up again. That's the Grizzly 700 2025. Grizzly 700. It's got like 300 kilometers on it. He loves it. Oh, we got a catwalk behind us. What a time. What a time. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Check them out, Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.
They call me a god.